Alright, here it is. 456 Sea Duck. Got a little pond across the street. Neighbor's house there. Then we're gonna walk in and went through the garage. I went through the front door, but there's a garage. You see, there's Kathy's car, there's my car, and under the shade. So priorities. So you come up here. There's the front doors. So you gotta get cleaned up here and power wash and all that. And then you put your, here's how I can control who comes in or not. And then we're coming in. So this is the entrance. There's nothing in here because we just did it. So I guess this will be like the dining area. Looking out front. And then the doors. And this will be one of the sitting areas. And then this looks back out to the pool. See your Tough Lake Kathy lives. There's the pool area. There's a little TV I put out there temporarily. And then from this way. And then, I don't know what these two things are. I don't really use them. So, but they're here. And then this door, security system. This door goes out to the garage. Some storage up there. It's got high ceilings. Changing a light bulb be a challenge. A little, I don't know, my temporary office nook. This looks out over to the dining room. This is the kitchen. Realtor left us the flowers. It's nice of her. And this is the, I guess another family room area. And then those sliders open all the way up, so I got a whole wall open up out to the pool. And then this is the one side of the house. Has 2 bedrooms, starting in the back. So it's got 1 bedroom back here. This will be a guest room. It's got a fan. It's got a closet, the doorway, and these 2 bedrooms share this bathroom. It's got a shower, high window, and then there's another bedroom back here. Then you continue. Like I said, this is one side of the house. You can actually just kind of close off this whole side. You know what? I'm gonna figure that out. So, I'm going over to here, back the way we came. And then this is the other side of the house. You come this way, and then this is the bedroom over here. Closet. I guess the guy had a little TV there. Ceiling fan. It's got 2 air conditioners, 2 zones air conditioners in that closet. And this bedroom has its own bathroom here. Then you come up around this hall. And this is the master bedroom. Looks out onto the pool. master bathroom. And storage, double vanity, a tub, a shower, and the toilet. And then go out back. Doors open. I still figure these doors out. And then this is the pool. Got ceiling fans. And then it's the pool. This thing is like a spa area. It gets bubbles and you can put the temperature up to like 100 and something. And this is the pool. This is like a little, this is AstroTurf. So, and this is from the outside. So you got all that covered deck under there. And then out back here. So, and that's it.